What's up, you guys? So we're here to work on the walk-in. So I ended up turning off the evaporator, and this fan right here on the far left is making a rattling noise. You're gonna see what happens right now when I turn it back on. Okay, before I diagnose this as a bad fan, I'm gonna remove everything. I'm gonna check out the blades, see if there's any splitting anywhere, and then see if there's any debris behind the fan. So we're gonna replace this fan. This one makes a loud rattling noise when the motor begins to heat up. So I have another issue here. Looks like the bracket broke. Screw is so rusted, it broke. Okay, I was able to get the bracket removed. It took me forever to get all this rust off to be able to take this bracket off. So while I already have the grill off, I'm gonna clean all the dust off. So we got the new bracket in. We're gonna install it onto the evaporator now. What's up, you guys? So the evaporator fan is installed. I had to cut off the other shroud, so we're missing one bolt. We're gonna have to get one from Home Depot, install it on there, but everything else is installed. Everything looks good.